I want you guys to work hard. Why I talk about distractions is today there are so many things that can make you lose your path. Can you name some of them? Can you name some of them? Yes, the boys. Name some of the things that would make you lose your path. Yes, stand up and say it loudly. Yalla. Media, possible. Social media, it has a good side to it, a bad side to it. Do you know what? You need to make sure if you are using it, you use it properly or don't use it. But don't be from among those who uses it in a bad way. You want to do something that's going to help you, benefit you, something that you might do to benefit others, mashallah. But the minute it's a waste of time or something haram, something destructive, you're not there. Who can tell me some other distractions? Yes. Did you say PlayStation? Yes. PlayStation, like I told you, how many hours do you spend on it? One, mashallah. One, alhamdulillah. How many hours do you guys spend on it? Gaming? 5. The guy says 5 hours. 5 hours a week or a day? No way. No. 2 hours. We can compromise. 4 hours. Whoa, come on guys. The more you are into gaming, the less you are going to be able to do other things. And then what happens, it becomes a distraction. If it distracts you from your prayer, your salah, it distracts you from reading the Quran, it distracts you from your studies and so on, then it's going to be a problem. Sometimes it makes you a person who goes into a shell because you don't want to talk to anyone, you don't want to see anyone. You're in your room with your phone or with your little laptop or with your little iPad, and you're just playing games with people you're never going to meet. And your real people around you who live with you, you hardly see them. You come down for food, and what else? What else do you come out of your room for? Toilet, yeah, okay. All right, toilet. What else? School, water. You need to come out of your room to talk, to play, to interact with your family, your brothers and sisters, maybe your parents, whoever it may be. Don't become a person who locks yourself in your room and just chills on your phone throughout the evening. Don't do that. Those are distractions. Name me another distraction. Yes. YouTube. Yes, it can be a distraction when you are on it for more than, how long? 1 hour. More than 1 hour a day. You can't be on all of that. What's another distraction? Xbox, another distraction. Yes. Phones, another distraction. Mashallah. These are all. Yes. Yes. Mashallah. All right, put your hands down. Do you know what? Notice how the distractions are being mentioned by little kids who barely know about distractions. You noticing? But the people whom it's supposed to be closer to the back, they're quiet. They're just silent, sitting. That's it. They're saying what? Sheen. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Before Sheen, there is Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha. You go all the way to Seen, then you go to Sheen. But we don't even have all of those. May Allah Almighty forgive us.